Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be installing and reviewing the Olixar full cover glass screen protector for the iPhone 11. Though we're installing this protector on the iPhone 11 today, these screen protectors are also available for the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max models. If you're looking for a low-cost, high-quality tempered glass screen protector that offers edge-to-edge toughness, high visibility and sensitivity all in one package, then this is a brilliant way to keep your phone screen pristine. The installation process is quite simple and only involves a few steps. Inside the box, you'll find a microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, a dust removal sticker and guide stickers, and finally the glass protector itself attached to a flexible backing. First, take the cleaning wipe and wipe over the screen thoroughly to remove any dust or greasy fingerprints. Next, take the microfiber cloth and dry the screen off to leave a nice clean surface. Take the dust removal sticker and dab it over the screen to take away any stray dust particles that can stop the glue from sticking down fully. Now you're ready to apply the protector. The guide stickers are supplied in this box and you can apply them to the top and bottom of the screen to help place the protector accurately, but you can choose not to use these. Take the protector in hand and very gently peel away the backing from the protector, making sure you don't touch the adhesive side. Carefully lower the protector onto the phone, lining up the cutouts with the speaker and the edges of the phone. This process can be slightly difficult to make sure it's in the right place. If needed, you can peel the protector away again and reapply if it's not quite aligned properly. Just make sure there's no dust trapped in the adhesive or on the phone before you reapply. If you find any dust on the adhesive side, simply use the dust removal sticker and dab it away before you reapply. Once you're happy with the placement of the protector, touch the centre of the glass and the adhesive should begin to stick down to the screen. If you find any remaining bubbles, simply rub them away with a cloth or your finger, pushing from the middle to the edge of the screen. Now you're ready to use your phone with the peace of mind that the screen is fully protected from annoying scuffs and scratches, with no compromise on functionality and clarity. Of course, this glass protector saves your screen from annoying scratches and scuffs that occur with everyday wear and tear, but the overall visibility is fantastic and it's practically invisible at a glance. It seems to have latched itself on firmly, which is a benefit with having the full adhesive application compared to the types of protector that are stuck down by the edges alone. Every feature works perfectly with no loss in responsiveness, allowing me to swipe through apps and browse the internet easily with no drag. It's relatively thin, with a 0.3mm thickness, and with the screen and the protector lined up to match, it's barely visible. I really like the smooth rounded edges as they match the shape of the phone and the overall iPhone look. Of course, the issue I have with these protectors is keeping dust from getting trapped under the protector during the application process. It's a common issue with this simple stick down protector, but I really like having the option to remove, dab away the dust and reapply without losing the tacky adhesive underside. There's something I really like about this budget protector. It has a brilliant premium quality to it that you don't often find in cheaper screen protectors. I hope you've enjoyed this installation and review of the Olixar full cover glass screen protector for the iPhone 11. If you're looking for more mobile accessory reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. And as always, thanks for watching.